Ciao a tutti, bentornati a Learn Italian channel. Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn Italian channel. This is a free online Italian learning course for beginners. In the previous lesson, you have learned some adjectives to describe food. There was also a question. How do we say the spaghetti are spicy? A. Gli spaghetti sono piccante. B. Gli spaghetti sono piccanti. The correct answer is B. Gli spaghetti sono piccanti. In today's lesson, you will learn how to order a drink. Let's start. You will hear a conversation between a barista and a customer. Listen carefully.
Buongiorno signora,
Buongiorno.
mi dica,
Vorrei un caffè e un cornetto per favore.
cornetto con la crema o senza crema?
Con la crema. Quant'è?
2,80 €.
E qua lei.
Ecco il resto e lo scontrino.
Grazie.
Prego.
You will hear the dialogue again with the translation.
Buongiorno signora, good morning madam.
Buongiorno. Good morning.
Mi dica, how can I help you?
Vorrei un caffè e un cornetto per favore. I would like a coffee and a croissant, please.
Cornetto con la crema o senza crema? Croissant with pastry cream or without pastry cream?
Con la crema. Quant'è? With pastry cream. How much is it?
2,80 €, 2,80 €.
E qua lei. Here you are.
Ecco il resto e lo scontrino. Here is the rest and the receipt.
Grazie. Thank you.
Prego. You're welcome.
Now I have a quiz for you. How do we say I would like a croissant without jam? A. Vorrei un cornetto con la marmellata. B. Vorrei un cornetto senza marmellata. You can write the answer in my Instagram account or in the comment box on my YouTube channel. My Instagram is learn_Italian20. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, and comment on my YouTube channel and on any podcast app. In the next lesson, you will hear a dialogue about how to order a table at a restaurant. Grazie, a presto!